I'm Suzanne Ford. I'm a licensed investment advisor, and I've been helping people to buy stocks for over 32 years. It's exciting that you have tuned in. You want to buy some stocks? That's great news. I am going to give you a simple and practical technique for selecting great stock investments. The U.S. listed common stocks, the most profitable investment in U.S. history. Before you do, however, you need to know how to set up a portfolio, how much to put into each position, how to diversify, start with at least 4, and a general but effective strategy for investing in the market. Good news, you can view our previous seminar series, How to Build a Stock Portfolio, posted on YouTube and on our website. See Part 3, specifically the effect of the sectors, to review sector selection, and then see economic updates to review current trends affecting your investments. The plan for profit is this. We are investing, not trading. Time is on our side. If we can identify ignored value that's inherent now, at some point it will be discovered and the stock will trade at a higher price. Most stocks are either undervalued or overvalued at any given time, and we're looking for the undervalued ones that we will buy low and sell high. I'm going to give you a method for this selection. If you follow my instructions, you will have a solid, secure, and conservative portfolio of treasures that will grow and provide wealth for your future. Please note there are many ways to invest in stock. This method is very risk-averse. We will look at every pitfall and warning sign possible. The fact is that most people lose money in stocks because they get ripped off in some way. High commissions, bad information, misplaced trust. I've found that if you keep it very simple, risk is reduced. If we can reduce risk, we increase reward. We're looking for solid, conservative companies. Number 1, a large cap company. Number 2, no daunting legal problems or significant government involvement. 3, strong balance sheet. 4, strong earnings. 5, strong earnings growth. 6, at least 3 reasons to buy. Good management, unique or undervalued product or service, unnoticed value, demographic trends, etc. Now, before we go into the actual method, the first rule is select a large cap company. Select a company that is valued at more than $10 billion market value. That means the current value of all stock outstanding. Apple, for instance, is the biggest one right now with over $700 billion in market value. But there are over 400 companies that fit this criteria. Now you might think, why should I choose a large cap when there might be better opportunities elsewhere? Remember, the first and most important thing you need is accurate, up-to-date information. For that, we go to the analysts. These are people who work very hard, crunch numbers, do analysis, write all kinds of reports, and then give them to us. But analyst coverage is sparse on small companies. There are too many, too few analysts. Another reason it must be large cap is that you will have analysts to help you. And if it's widely followed, the news services will help you as well. The company's website is also more likely to be rich if you choose a large company with a shareholder services manager. Not usual with a small company. Also, hot tips usually come from smaller companies. They still have to provide financial statements, but sometimes employees become the main source of information, which is not at all reliable and borderline illegal. I've never heard a hot tip that was real. I've heard a lot of them. Thank goodness I learned all early on not to trade on hot tips. They're almost always just a story to make someone else rich. So our first step, make a list. You need ideas. For this, we go to the professional because it must be current and accurate or it's no good. The best financial news channel is CNBC because it is by far the most comprehensive, but Bloomberg is also good. The best newspaper is the Wall Street Journal, full of wonderful ideas. The Financial Times, New York Times, Washington Post, Barron's, Businessweek, Forbes are all good publications. But do not use your local paper or social media for news. It's tantamount that the information you use is up to date and accurate. And there are lots of sources that print erroneous facts, and they'll only serve to lose you money. Use other people's recommendations. Choose buy-rated companies. Don't try to be a contrarian. Get the best ideas from wherever and whenever you can. And when you find a company you like, write it down. Make a list, at least 25 different ideas in the sectors you have chosen. Once you have your list of 25 good ideas, tune in to part 2. Then we will start to whittle down your list so that the result is very few, very good stocks.